Welcome to DJ Ikonz Production. Ikonz Production Remix.
Turn up the bass and make them all have fun. And we have